See ya. Good luck. Good morning. And late nang nagising kami. Nagising ako mga 9:30. Yung mga bata ngayon lang. So, my breakfast is downstairs. Okay. Si Jan, ang aga nila ni Kuya umalis. Nag-golf sila. Si Sak, literally kagising pa lang ni Zachary.
All that stuff together yesterday.
Sak, do you know where? Alright. Huh? So, we missed the breakfast. Eto, as in, literally, you just walk up. What happened to you, Baba? Gumising siyang, umiyak siya kasi nagkaroon siya ng bad dream. So, pumunta siya sa, sa bed ko. And, as in, nag-snore, si Zach mag-snore. Sobrang pagod kasi wala kayo masyadong tulog, diba? So, ngayon pa, papihisan ko na, padalhin ko sa kanila yung, we're just gonna get the swimwear and then we're going to the beach. No, I will get the other one. You have the others? You have the other bucket hat. Yan, nakabihis na sila. Nagsa-sunscreen lang. Dalhin natin to doon sa beach. So, bago tayo pumunta doon sa beach, punta pa tayo second floor para mag-ask tayo ng beach towel. Is here? Okay, thank you. 15. Okay, thank you. Good, thank you.
Yung room namin?
109, sorry.
Engineering 465, sudah 465.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oke, berarti 4
yung tawag.
464.
Dumaan kami dito sa may beach. Ayan. Kasi lagi tayong dumadaan doon sa sa may semento. Sabi ni Sakdan daw kayo dito. Ayan. Ang dami. Hi. Ayan si Sak. Kumuha siya ng boogie board. Ha? Ayan, nakapag-swimming na to. Ngayon kumuha siya ng icy ball from Eddie. Okay, come on. Dito yung aming setup today. Finally, he's here. 12:29 na. 10:30 ata kami, or quarter to 11. Nag-start siya mag-boogie board. Ayan, yung girls and sila nakabihis na.
Oh, that's still going.
Order akong lunch for kids. Grabe yung tubig, guys. High tide na. Kanina nakapaglakad pa kami dyan, di ba? Ngayon, ayan na yung tubig, oh. Malapit na dito sa may mga surfboard. Dito tayo mag-order. Si Sak, wala silang chicken na gusto ni Sak. So, orderan ko na lang sila nitong club sandwich. And yung sa akin, eto, nasi goreng seafood. $6. 60 means $6. Ito, $5.50. Ang mura. So, yan. Naka-order na tayo. Pay later daw. So, ayan si Kuya. Siya yung kumuha ng order namin. Nagdagdag pala ako ng cheese stick and mee goreng, yung noodles. Yung parang pansit. Balik tayo dito. Ayan sila. Nag-game sila. And dinala ko yung laptop para makapag-edit ako, guys. Kasi 2 days na tayong wala. Edit tayo, guys. Habang hinihintay natin yung food. Kasi sabi ko 2 days o pa 3 days na ako lang vlog.
Can I just... Mom will swim to me. I just need to let her wash her arm because it's inside
Okay,
her house.
okay. Here, love. Here, this
Oh, okay.
I don't know where's the other towel. Si Jan, mamaya pa. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya, mga 12 paata sila. Ay, hindi, alauna na nga. Dapat nandito na sila kasi Hindi na pa 6:30 sila umalis. Ano na, 1:08 na. Yung mga bata nasa pool. Okay, welcome. Ive! You're not swimming, Ive? May buko ako nakikita. Parang ang sarap din ng buko. Have you tried that coconut juice here, Ive?
Have I tried coconut?
Yeah?
Yeah,
Was it good?
I didn't like it.
Is it sweet?
It's like weird.
Weird. But is it kind of sweet for you? Not really?
Like plain.
Plain, okay.
And
Ang
then
gusto
the coconut's like jelly.
Yeah. Is it cold when they serve it? I want cold. Warm. Okay. Masarap yan cold. Naka-ano ko guys, naka-swimwear na tayo para anytime na may magyaya ako ng mga bata. Kasi kahapon niyayaya ako ni Johnny, hindi ako nakapag-swimwear. So ngayon, baka later, mag-swim. Pero mahangin. Mag-edit muna tayo. Work muna tayo. Ayan, si Holly. Mag-dive daw siya. Well done! Nice! Go swim over there, Papa. With the girls. 2, 3, off. Okay, Holly. Good job, Holly and Sophie. Well done. Good job, Baba. Go, Baba.
I keep choking.
Well done, Holly. Pushing. Well done. Good job. Go, Soph. Dito na yung food namin. Ayan. So, ayan yung nasi goreng na pansit. Clubhouse. And this is mine. It's nice. See? Yeah. No, get that one. You're eating so quick. Where are you going? Where do you hang out? Huh? Oi, where do you hang out? Good? It's nice. Why? You wanna eat some? Yeah, but come here. That's right, this is good. You're food ready.
Gonna get mozzarella. I'm getting cheese sticks.
Yeah.
And having
Coffee here.
spring roll.
So,
I said mozzarella sticks.
Yeah?
what's that?
That's okay. I'll get mine.
It's good. I got Holly. Baba, come on.
Can I have a towel?
Yeah.
When are our boys back? Sandwich.
Yeah, black sandwich you got those. They're full.
Comment this on the wonderful.
They're full. That's full.
Where are they playing?
Depends on how good that is.
Where are they
How do you want?
playing?
Yeah, Clubhouse, pancit. I have rice. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Try this one. Good. Ito sila dyan. You want something to eat, Kuya? I have Clubhouse here, Han. Clubhouse and pancit, Kuya, pancit. Boogie board. Pancit. Maghapon sila hindi nagkita eh. Ang galing ni Holly mag-dive. Oh, tumbling pa yun. careful, Baba, ha? Your head. Ang galing na niya. Kahit mag-swim, kaya niyang i-swim yan, balikan. Ang haba kaya niyang pool na yan. Kahit si Brody, yung nagtuturo sa kanya nung bata pa siya, na-impress kay Hall kasi ang galing niya talaga mag-swimming. That was not good. Baba, do it properly, please. That's good. Si Kuya pa nag-surf. Did you surf? No, but I heard what Dad said. Boogie board.
If I went out, I would have jumped on the boat.
No, like, you don't have to go that far. Alam nyo ba, ang layo ng narating ni Kuya, pinakuha siya sa isang tao na magaling din mag-swimming, chicken. Kasi hindi na makabalik si Kuya doon sa boogie board niya. So, ang ginawa, nagbayad siya ng tao para kunin siya doon sa malayo. See, lucky you know how to swim. So, look at that. Ano, Zach? Cold? Oh, what? What do you need? Ayan yung, you wanna eat? Now you're hungry? Now you're hungry. That's the clubhouse. Diba? Nakakagutom mag-swimming. Look at me, you two. Larry.
Just grab one.
Wait lang, wait.
Just grab one because the wind will just push me out.
Okay, look at me, boys. Kuya. Max. Smile, Max. Wait. Maxie. Maxie. Come here. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ayan yung clubhouse. That's good.
Well,
Diba? Buti hindi ko muna tinanggal dito. Just don't pushing, ha? No pushing, please. Round 2 na si Kuya. Nakakagutom mag-swimming, no? Yung isa, oh. Full sack. Can you put this in the bin now, please?
chips.
Oh, your chips. Don't forget the chicken.
Stop getting on water. Oh, no, that's soggy. See, look, they're soggy. He just took all the chips.
Here, there's more chips here.
That's okay.
Two, it's only 2 here. Diba? Tapos na ako mag-edit, guys. And saving na siya. Mahina lang yung net dito kasi nakikabit lang ako dito sa wifi nila. Sobrang hina kasi syempre madami ang kumagamit. So we'll save. At least nakatapos and saving na siya. Yung mga bata nandyan sila sa pool. Ay, si Holly. Oh, si Holly. Magja-jump na naman niya. Magda-dive na naman. Oh, diba? Maghapon. Si Kuya na dito. Ayan si Kuya. Where's Zach? Kuya, where's Zachary? Okay. Dito si Max. Hi, Holly.
Hello. Where's my cross?
Oh, I don't know. Where did you put it? Find it now, please, because we're going. Don't forget the towels. Punta na tayo dun sa kung saan kami naka-stay. Dito kasi sila Kyle at sila Brody. Ito yung kanilang hotel. Malapit lang sila dito. Kami kasi doon kami sa Bali Garden. Nag-order si Jan ng shorts. Wow, you got lots of shorts. Just get the red one. Gusto niya talaga. Orange, alright. And then the red one, it's nice. How about this one, Zach? This is nice. This one. No, this one, that one. That's look nice.
Oh, no, it's Kylie. It's yours. You're wet. What?
Your wet clothes. Oh, thank you. Hinahanap ko yung corn, yung inasal na corn. Kanina, meron ditong Crinimate na daanan namin. Kung makikita nyo kanina, meron din na parang, basta, ayan. Yan. Tapos doon nila nilalagay. Ayun doon, oh. Last time, di ba, nakita nyo? Ayan, oh, dyan, oh. Oh, dyan lang kinikremate. 5:16. 5:16. Oh, you just have a quick dip.
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Hurry up. Hi. 10 minutes.
What is that? Have a quick dip!
Tomorrow, just kick back in.
Oh, we got big.
You better do it because I'm getting out now, so I'm going to go.
Can you do it, Dad? Yes, good. Dad. I want to see how you do it.
Yeah, we've got to have food here, 'cause it's good food here.
Like that?
Yeah, step out and do it.
More out, Baba. More out. Put your feet out.
Like that, huh? It's not big.
Yeah, put your feet there. Yeah.
Yeah, just jump out. What are you wearing them tank shorts, right? Yeah. Where's Tanky?
That's good.
Start. Good start, Ollie. Very well. Always jump out. All you do is just jump out.
Ang daddy talaga, ang super supportive. Kahit ako, takot na takot akong gawin nila yan. Pero, that was good. You did that before too, Zach, when you were that age.
Why are you jumping sideways?
Jump sideways, don't go jump straight. Jump straight. Last one, go. Okay, that's good.
Okay, let's go. That's it. Han.
Jump straight. Jumping out there, you've got to jump straight back. Put head back. Well done.
Nilinis nila yung ating room. Ayan, malinis yung bed. Minake up nila. Ready si Jen at si Kuya nandun na sa saan sila? Nasa lobby kasi nagpabook ulit sila for golf for tomorrow. Yeah, may sunburn. Kahit naglagay na siyang ano, sunscreen. Tapos pinaspray ko, pinaspray ko sa kanya yung ano, yung kahimis para mag-cooling ba. Pero nag-sunscreen naman siya. Ilang beses siya nag-sunscreen. Ibabad naman kasi sila sa ano, sa beach. Okay. Punta tayo ulit sa beach kung saan tayo galing. What's up? We're going there. Front. The pool.
Hey, this way.
What? We're going to the pool. Kasi doon ulit kami makikita ng mga kaibigan namin kung saan kami galing kanina. Kasi magdi-dinner tayo. So, doon kami dito. I-meet namin dito si John. Kasi, pumunta siya ng lobby, tapos doon na siya didiretso. Look at Saki, naka-shoes yung Saki boy ko. Ganda ng pa-sunset dito. Ayan si Johnny boy, oh. So, dadayuin natin yung bahay na yon. Malit lang naman yun na parang bahay siya na ginawang restaurant. Noon yun na, hindi ko alam kung ano na itsura niya ngayon. Ayan, mga, para siyang ano, Divisoria, oh. What are you looking? Dito na tayo, guys. Tree House Cafe. Ayan. Tingnan mo ang laman ng bag niya. Oh. Nakaupo na pala kami. Ito yung table namin. Ang laman is lip tint and powder. Ito yung boys. Ito yung akin. Tom Yum Kong. Thai prawn soup with lemongrass and chili and lemon. Si Holly spaghetti bolognese. How's your vanilla banana milkshake, Holly? Good? He wants to try. Sa akin, mango shake. You wanna swap?
I'll look it up for you.
Good?
Mom, what do I look up? Mom, what do I look up?
So, ito na yung Tom Yum Kang soup.
Oh, thanks. Wait, what?
Oh, nice. Maanghang to, guys. Yeah.
The garlic bread now.
Oh, so good. I need bread, man.
No, you can have that and I'll have the next one.
No,
Put the next one.
and sarap.
We got cheesy garlic
Oh,
bread.
you got some too.
We got cheesy garlic bread too. Ang sarap, maanghang.
Can I have a piece of cheesy garlic bread?
What are we doing?
Cheesy garlic bread.
What are we doing? They gave me the whole thing. Why did I go and get water and wait?
May chips.
No, but there's a bean.
Lady boys is not that.
Mag-copyright tayo.
But tayo ng garlic bread. Cheesy garlic bread. Okay. That's for Joe, I think. So, ito yung order ni John. Starter niya is calamari. Spaghetti for Holly. Yan sila sa Australia. See ya! See you when we get back home. Sila Lauren, uwi na sila bukas. Here is having carbonara, Max, burger, Zach, chicken, sweet and sour chicken with rice. Ito yung table namin. Ayan sila. Yan yung kay Zach, sweet and sour chicken with rice. Yan kay Johnny Boy. Go,
And we've
babe.
got chips.
Go, Joe.
You're alright. What's wrong with it? Well, yours was tomato or not.
Mix grill kay Johnny Boy. How's the mashed potato, huh?
Oh no, that's a mushroom. Yeah, have a drink. This is mashed potato with.
Diyan, nag-order siya ng dessert, banana split. Ayun. Is that your order, Sak? Pancake with banana. Ivy, what did you get? Ivy got something here. Nandito na pala kami, pero yung boys kumakain pa ng... Look what Ivy got for her friends. Cheat! Maraming yun.
And look, I got one for me, so.
Oh my God, look.
What are they? What are the
Chicken. Don't say it. Chicken.
They're wooden chicken.
Wooden kitchen.
Keychain.
Yeah. And eto,
What are the two left?
meron siyang ganito yung fake nilang
Two left over.
Prada. Pang ano natin, pang araw-araw. How much?
What? 150.
$10. She's my friend.
Nah.
She's my friend.
$10.
$10 the normal one.
So how much last price?
$20. $20.
Oh my god.
No, how much? No, that's higher.
He's saying 15.
Last price. $15 daw talaga. Ayaw niya mag last
Are you
price.
gonna get them?
Oh, this one.
These I like these.
This says Kuya. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, handsome boy. Ayan, Uniqlo. So, hindi ko alam saan kami punta. Ah, may Zara sila dito. Uniqlo, Zara. So, kung pumasok dito, kaso iba yung gusto ng girl, Zara. Ay, Zara, Sephora. O, diba? Tinatawag na tayo.
These are actually cheap.
Malolobat na tayo. Ay, Sephora. Siya yung may gusto dito sa Sephora. Wala namang kailangan dito na eh. So, meron siya nakuha yung go-go. What did you put? Bronze.
This is probably really good.
Okay, tapos na tayo mag-shopping. Binayaran ni John is 1.2 million rupiah, right? Rupiah. 1 120 Australian dollars. Naglalakad tayo by the beach. And kuha ko ng corn. Sana makita ko. Nandun yun eh. Ang corn. So, yan yung corn namin ni Zach, Holly.
I don't have any soap, so I don't have
Okay. Hot, hot, hot. And what do you want? Butter only. Butter.
Do I have butter?
Yes.
Is that like
Mine spicy, please. Thank you so much. Our first corn dito sa Bali. Sarap. Bumili ng water sila dyan. Sarap. This is good. Dito na kami sa lobby. Tini-check ni Jan kung Sini-check ni Jan yung pinalabhan niya kaninang umaga. Dinala niya dito yung mga damit namin nalabahan bago sila mag-go. Thank you. Where is it? In our room. Oh, hindi ko nakita ha. So, ayan na yung mga pinalabhan natin. And yan yung nabili ni Zach, yung dalawa. Ito yung first day natin. Wow. Are you done for shopping, Zach? I want the yellow. Yeah, the Lakers. Yun na lang.
get the Lakers and that
And then you're done. Eto. Is this all, Han?
Last three.
Yeah. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. And buti na lang, nandito na tayo, guys, sa Bali. Kasi, ngayon at kahapon, yung pag-alis namin, grabe ng baha sa Pinas dahil sa bagyo. Ngayon, grabe yung nakikita kong mga, mga video. Sobrang baha. But anyway, yun. Bukas na lang ulit. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet seen my next vlog. Good night. And thank you so nag-hike kanina. May nakakilala pa sa akin dito. Ang gabi-gabi na. Gabing-gabi na. Papunta kami dito. And yeah, thank you sa pag-hi. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Been selling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so